Hey everyone, John from Popeyes Postcards. I wanted to put this video out here. As you see in the thumbnail, going to be doing live postcard auctions. I've been talking about them in my video, and right now I'm probably 3 to 4 weeks away from actually kicking that off and doing live auctions. You've seen the 500,000 postcard hoard video. If you haven't, I'll try to link it up top. So I just have so much stuff that I need to start getting rid of. So I think what I'll probably end up doing, except in probably 3 to 4 weeks, I got stuff I need to take care of before I start on this next venture. I will do a trial run, probably, I don't know, 5 lots of cards. And then if that goes well, probably end up partnering with someone else, probably like Matt from Jackass Retro. But I think what I'll end up doing is just grab one of my boxes. Like this is a box that is, I haven't looked in this for, what, a year and a half now? Something like that. And I did go through this. This came from the postcard dealer I bought out in 2019. So I've gone through these cards at least once and cherry picked out what I thought was $10 plus postcards. None of these cards and none of the cards that I will be selling have ever been listed on eBay by me. These are cards that have come in lots that I've purchased over the years that I've never put on eBay. None of these have been in my postcard booths, antique mall booths. None of these have been in my boxes for postcard shows. So I can't really call them virgin postcards, but I've never tried to sell these before. And I'll just pick out what I'll end up probably doing is I'll just pick out, lots of 100 and kind of I'll just show you real quick what to expect. There's a tourist house, probably 1940s. This is somewhere in Ohio. I know it's not focusing, but I'm just going to give you an idea what kind of card you can expect. So that's Cleveland, Ohio, showing Cleveland Municipal Stadium, hospital in Toledo, 1917 or so. Another Toledo card, hospital. Looks like these are all going to be Toledo cards. So it looks like you're going to get a mix. It could be chrome, it could be linen, white border, some parade float. So this is what you can expect. These are cards that I just didn't feel like listing on eBay or putting anywhere else. Here's some more Ohio cards. Again, I know it's not focusing. Just want to show you, here's some airline issue cards. It's a route map, American Airlines, probably 40s or 50s. Some of these sell for decent money. Northwest Airlines, NWA. Some statue out in Washington. And when I do these auctions, I'm going to do what Matt from Jackass Retro did. I'll have these all scanned in, so you don't have to worry about the camera not focusing. So you'll see exactly all the cards you're going to get in the lot. Like I said, I'll probably do lots of 100 cards, probably mixed, and I can also do, all states. I can do 100 Alabama, 100 California, 50 Easter cards for topics, 50 Valentine's Day cards, stuff like that. Probably end up doing like a starting bid of $10, increasing $2 up to $50, and then after $50, $5 increment, and then up to 100, over 100, $10 increments, just your standard auction bid increases. And all the cards will probably, I'm going to have them scanned and maybe have them saved to Google Drive or Google Photos. That way the winner can, if they wish to use those scans, they can. But I will tell you, I'm not going to do 600 DPI on these scans, probably around 200, which would be fine for eBay listing. But I'm not going to do high quality scans just for interest of time. I'd also ship these priority and probably ship them for free. I got these boxes ordered in anticipation of doing auctions. They fit easily 100 postcards in there. And again, most likely, if you win 100 postcards, I'm not going to have them sleeved because I will have run them through the scanner and to get it through for interest of time. I'm not going to re-sleeve them, but I'll throw a pack of brand new sealed sleeves in the box. Without the sleeves, this weighs, with a mailer, this weighs 14 ounces. With the sleeves, it comes in at 18 ounces. So that'll give you an indication of shipping. And for my friends in Canada and the United Kingdom, according to Pirate Ship, shipping them in this box in a padded envelope like this to Canada without this pack of sleeves in here, it's $10.49, and with the sleeves, 18 ounces, it would be $13.49. And to the United Kingdom, without the pack of sleeves, it would be $15.49, and with the pack of sleeves for 18 ounces, it would be $17.49. So I will be looking to ship overseas, but since I am shipping for free within the United States, and right now priority flat rate mailer is $8, what I would do for my Canadian and buyers from the United Kingdom, I would knock $8 off of either the shipping or the cost of the postcards. So pretty much you're getting the benefit of what I would give the United States buyers: free shipping, $8 free shipping. We'll have to work that out if anybody from those countries wins anything. You'd still be required to pay whatever duties your country may require, but I'll at least give you the shipping discount that I'm offering to those in the United States. Most likely I'll take payment by PayPal and require immediate payment before the auction, or before that night's auctions end. And with immediate payment, you get immediate shipment that next day. So if you win, if I do my auctions on a Tuesday night, your stuff will be in the mail Wednesday morning. I've been watching a lot of other YouTube auction sites, trying to get a feel for how they do things. And so now I need your help. In the comments below, what do you want to see? Do you want, 50 postcard lots, 100 postcard lots? Do you want them spread out into topics? You just want a mixture of cards? Do you want other stuff besides postcards? Because I have stuff that's come in my lots that I've purchased, stuff that I would love to sell, but I don't have the time, and I'm getting sick of looking at it. Like this is a binder of Tobacco Annie, Tobacco, whatever. It's tobacco stuff. There's tobacco tin tags, tobacco coins, tobacco cards. So it's like a whole, it'd be like a whole binder of this. Or I also have binders and binders of advertising matchbooks. I could do binders of this. I think these are all Playboy somewhere in here. You're at this side. These are all, I believe, Playboy matchbooks. Yeah, those are all Playboy matchbooks. So I can do binders of that. I have boxes of ephemera, non-postcards. I just need to get this stuff out of my house. So again, in the comments below, what do you want to see? And I'm sure you've all watched or participated in other YouTube auctions. What do you like on those auction sites, and what don't you like? What do you think would work? What won't work? And then also, if you could, I'm just looking for suggestions of time slots. I know YouTube space is at a premium. I don't want to step on anybody's toes. So if anybody has a suggestion for time slots, I'd appreciate that too. Okay, that's it. Leave all comments below. Like I said, we're probably 3 to 4 weeks away from doing this, but I want to do it, and I just got to do it. So my loss is definitely going to be your gain with these postcards. Nice pre-1907 church from somewhere in Ohio. Who knows? Maybe that's a $50 card. I don't know. When I went through these the first time, it didn't strike me as something I wanted to list immediately, like a real photo or something like that. Okay, thank you for watching. Hope to see you in the next couple weeks, and hope to provide you with some awesome cards. Thanks.